Happy Tuesday. Good morning. This is Kara at the Hiddenite Center with a couple of things that we've got coming up for you guys. First off, on January 18th, we have cell phone photography. You know, we've all got their cell phones and we know a few of the things that we can do with them, but so many more options. We've got Sarah coming down from Laze L Photography to teach us everything that we can do on our cell phones to make better looking pictures whenever we go on our vacations and with our kids and our grandkids. So make sure that you visit our website, hiddenitearts.org, and you can sign up for that. Also, at the end of the month, January 24th and 25th, we have our murder mystery dinners. They were a big success last year when we had Mystery at the Mansion. This year we're going back to the 1850s. Come on in, you'll have on our cowboy gear and our saloon girls and our prospectors trying to figure out who done it this time. So once again, visit us at hiddenitearts.org. You can pick January 24th on a Friday night or come on down on January 25th, which is on Saturday. We'd love to have you. Have a great day.